Red flag ba kung you kiss random guys sa bar?
Hindi naman. Sige na, ginagawa ko din naman yun. Masaya naman eh.
Hello, my name is Tracy. So I met Al at a local spa. I was with a friend, then he passed by in front of us. I told my friend na, oh, that guy looks cute. Tapos sabi, oh nga, cute nga siya. Tapos I think after an hour or two, nagkasalubong kami when we were about to leave the spa. Ayun, we exchanged numbers. Tapos he asked me out if gusto kong sumabay dinner. Ganon. Sabi ko, wala naman akong lakad. Sige, I can tag along with you. It turned out na he saw me rin and found me cute. So parang, talaga ba? So parang hindi ko in-expect na we saw each other as cute. Ayun, so we're here because I signed up and told them na, you're my crush.
You're my crush too.
Alam mo naman yan eh.
Pero ang weird nga nung nagkita kami, hindi ako nakasalamin. Pero ang linaw niya rin. Ewan ko din kung paano yun. Blurred usually, pero ang linaw niya nung nakita ko.
So today, we are going to play a lie detector game with Tracy and of course his crush, Al. But we're going to change it up. Most of the questions will actually be for you, Al. And at the end of the game, you only have one question for Tracy.
First question, napilitan ka lang ba pumunta dito?
Hindi naman. Parang naisip ko lang din na parang, uy, mukhang masaya yun. So, sige, kahit 3-hour drive.
Thank you. Boy.
Nakakabangan. I came all the way from Tagaytay. After duty, I went straight.
Hospital?
Clinic.
Clinic. Oh my God.
Private clinic.
Question, do you believe in love at first sight?
Yes na yes.
Yes, yes. May kinakabahan.
Oo nga eh. Ikaw malalasing.
Ako
Di ko alam, siguro sa kakabasa ko din dati, na parang yung nagsuslow mo. Tapos nangyayari siya sa akin, siguro twice na. Yun nga yung sabi ko earlier, yung hindi naman ako naka-glasses, pero nung nakita ko siya, medyo luminaw yung paningin. Tapos parang hinahanap ko na sa buong area, kaso malabo pa din mata ko nun. Parang chine-check ko kung may kasama ba, parang ganun.
Third question, may nakikita ka bang magugustahan mo sa akin?
Oo naman. Actually, parang wala nang nakikita na hindi magugustuhan. So, kasi parang, in a way to be honest, siya yung calm na kailangan ko sa chaotic na buhay ko minsan. Press.
Sorry. Okay process in my head. Yeah, yun nga. Siguro, one of our talks then, yun nga, when we're sharing, we're really different. Na ako, as a person, very calm. Okay. Pero yan, I'm very much the calm type. Tapos siya yung parang very spontaneous, tapos outspoken, gano'n. As a Virgo, iniisip ko muna, like, paano ko ba to siya i-approach? Ano kayang magandang step-by-step process on how to handle or attack this kind of situation, gano'n.
Yun, kailangan ko ng ganun sa buhay talaga. Parang halimbawa, parang there's a lot on my plate. Tapos sinabi ko sa kanya, ina-narrow down niya yung choices or parang bibigyan niya ako ng reasonable na options. Parang, teka lang, bago ko maguluhan dun sa madami, relax ka lang na makakapili.
Sige, next question. Does timing matter in a relationship?
Oo. Sobra. Yan yung parang hard lesson learned sa amin. Parang it's always the wrong timing, but the right person. Parang ganun, no? Kasi parang yun nga, nagka-time na nag-interact kami, tapos naging malabo. For some time, hindi kami nag-uusap. Pero, nung parang nalaman ko na taken siya, tapos nalaman niya na may dinidate ako, parang in a way, parang kami nang hinayang. Pero, parang we respected what each other had at that time. Siyempre, boundaries yun. Tsaka respect mo yun sa kung sino mang dinidate mo ngayon.
Pag-usapan namin yan, na parang, what if tayo yung naging ano? Pero jokingly naman. Pero but still, parang yung may konting hinayang.
Bakit?
There was this one time na I planned to surprise him sa hospital that nag-duty siya one time. Tapos I was asking him parang hanggang anong oras ka, gano'n. Pero I knew na he was busy. Tapos I went all the way from my office to SM San Lazaro because that was the closest one sa hospital that he was working. I bring him coffee for surprise, gano'n. Tapos siguro mga 5 minutes after arriving, bigla siyang nag-message kasi parang nawala siya for some time. Nag-message siya na, oh, kakauwi ko lang ng Tagaytay. Sorry, hindi ako nakapag-mention kanina. So parang ako, hala, 5.
What the fuck?
No, di parang, sayang naman, ganun. Doon ako parang napaisip na, maybe this is just not the right time. Na parang, okay, you tried, so baka hindi meant to be or something like that. I learned a lesson as well na to inform na lang next time. So parang, deserve, hindi ka naman nagsabi, surprise ka pa. Sayang tuloy.
Hinabol ko yung coding. Coding ako nung araw na yun.
Next. Do you like someone else right now?
Uwi na ako.
You're dodging the question.
Sige, oo. I met this person just days ago. And it's just, parang, you can like 10 people na sabay-sabay.
Like lang naman. Diba? Para ka lang nag-like ng photos. Okay. Ngayon ko lang naman nalaman, and I don't see anything wrong. Kasi, yun nga, sabi ko, it's just like. Ay, tsaka, crush ko lang naman siya. So, unless naman we were at some point na nag-date kami, tapos, I mean, actually, even though he likes someone, tapos we're dating, we can talk about it naman. I mean, I believe na you just have to communicate things, diba? So parang, oh, there's this guy that I like. Malay mo, sabihin ko, uy, cute nga siya, ganun, or what, something like that. I mean, I could be supportive. Unless na lang yun nga, we decide, or parang meron kaming internal agreement na exclusively dating tayo, we don't allow each other to see other guys or date other guys, ganun.
Kung mga like-like lang din naman sa mga paligid, feeling ko, since January, no, consistent naman ang crush ko pa din siya. Nahilo na ako.
Okay ka lang. Isa pa lang yung shot to,
Okay. Wow, nakakaya naman.
Sige, next question. Red flag ba kung you kiss random guys sa bar?
Hindi naman. Kasi parang I watched a movie dati. Ginawa niya lahat in 100 days. Tapos parang kasama dun to kiss strangers. Tapos parang for me, interesting din yun. Tsaka, sige na nga, ginagawa ko din naman yun. Masaya naman eh. Baka ano na naman to, ang sakit din. Okay, hindi naman.
Bakit naman yun yung natanong mo?
Some guys that I've dated before kasi may ganong tendency. Nung time na we were dating, I was trying to parang analyze or process my feelings na when I get to see them kiss other guys, even though na kami magkasama that night. Is it a bad thing ba? Or parang, is it a normal thing na you get to kiss guys, random guys sa bar, ganun. At the back of my mind, ako rin naman, ginagawa ko siya at some point. Ganun. So, bakit ko ba siya isipin as a red flag? On a scale of 1 to 10, how would you rate yourself as a partner?
Siguro 7. Kasi meron din naman tayo mga personal issues. Tsaka work in progress naman lagi.
Wala lang, parang ikaw naman mag-shot.
Feeling ko may mga personal issues na hinihil din. Parang you have to be honest with yourself if you deserve the 10.
Yan, lalim.
Actually, from when you guys met, how well do you guys, would you say, you know each other?
Very shallow pa nung night na nagkakilala kami. Kasi parang it's the usual, the basic na where do you live, what do you do for a living, tapos a little bit of family background, anong hobbies mo.
Parang slam book pa, no?
Oo, ganun pa. Tapos, nung recent na lang, siguro last month, when we decided to parang, let's watch Cinemalaya, ganun. Between breaks ng mga films, doon kami nagka-deep convos na, ano ba yung mga struggles mo ngayon? Like, same, ganito rin. I have my fair share of those kinds of experiences, ganun, with family, personal, professional struggles, ganun.
Tsaka actually, yung parang nag-go siya sa invite. Random invite lang din yun online. Hobby ko talaga manood ng ganun. So parang mas madali mag-open up. Kasi parang, ito talaga ako, this is what I really do. Tapos parang for you to go with me, di mas madali mag-share. So ngayon naman, turn ko naman na magtanong sa kanya. Ang hirap na isip ng nakainom. Since feeling ko, you've seen the worst of me, would you still date me kahit na nakita mo yon?
Yes.
Hindi na alam.
Sakit.
Di ba? Hindi nakakaba.
I answered yes. Actually, it was that we as human beings naman are not perfect. So, sabi niya rin kanina, meron talaga tayong personal issues. I do have my own issues. I don't see anything wrong with dating you even though you have such issues kasi that makes you human. I mean, doon mo malalaman eh. You have to experience it. Kaysa yung nalaman mo lang na, ay, ganito siya, ay, ayoko na, ganun. So, parang andali without even trying. Mas mahirap if you didn't try. So, I think it's worth a shot.
Ang masasabi ko lang, ang takes niya talaga gusto ko, yung maturity. Cute nung sagot niya. Feeling ko i-date pa din naman kita. Nakita ko na din naman yung mga ibang sides na not so perfect. Pero yun nga, it's what makes us human.
It may sound funny, pero a part of me somehow believes sa astrology. Na parang it says there na, I mean, I came out from a breakup kasi, tapos parang it somehow told me na to take some time, process, rediscover things, tapos parang sinabi niya na it's just about the right timing. From here on, siguro we're just gonna talk about it.
Openly.
Yes.
Open talaga kami sa...
Tapos, we'll just see. As I answered kanina, it was an easy yes, so I would date you.
Not closing doors, kasi isipin mo ang consistent na January pa, tas hanggang ngayon crush pa din kita, tas kinikilig pa din ako araw-araw. Minsan yung downtime, yung hindi pa kayo pwede mag-date, parang time to learn about each other more. So I'm having fun naman as I'm learning more about you. So, yeah.
Killing. Okay, it's the
Shot
final
mo, no?
shot. Cheers.
Alright, nice. Thank you so much, guys.